Are you trying to shop on eBay but stuck with the wrong country or location? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your country and location on eBay in just a few easy steps. Let's start with the eBay website. First, log into your account and head over to Account Settings. From there, go to Personal Information. You'll see your registered address listed. Click the Edit button next to it. Now you can select your new country or region. Make sure to save your changes, and that's it. Your account is now set to your preferred location. If you're using the eBay app, the process is just as simple. Open the app and go to the My eBay tab, then tap on Account Settings. Under the General section, choose Country or Region and select the location you want. Save your changes and you're ready to shop internationally or locally without any restrictions. Changing your eBay location helps you see the right listings, shipping options, and prices tailored to where you actually are. Whether you're moving abroad, buying from another country, or just exploring different markets, this simple update makes sure you never miss out on the deals you want. And there you have it. In just a few taps or clicks, you can switch your eBay location and start browsing the way you want.